Another great fruit cobbler recipe to add to the list. I'm Tess, and today I will show you how to make an easy, delicious homemade lemon cobbler, just in time for the spring and summer season. Stay tuned. I've showed you how to make many different fruit cobblers over the years, and this lemon lava cobbler is a great addition. A bright and refreshing dessert that is oozing with lemon flavor. I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm melting a stick of butter in my 9x13 baking dish. In the meantime, I'm going to make my cobbler batter. Just as in some of my other cobbler recipes, I'm using self-rising flour, which includes the salt and baking powder. If you don't have self-rising flour, you can easily make your own. In my large bowl, I have 1.5 cups of self-rising flour, and I'm adding in 1 cup of sugar and giving that a stir. Adding in 1.5 cups of milk and a teaspoon each of pure vanilla and lemon extract. Giving that a stir just to combine. The butter is melted and I'm pouring my batter right over the butter. You may be tempted to stir, but don't stir. I have one 21-ounce can of lemon pie filling and I'm spooning in spots over the batter. Again, don't stir. As the cobbler bakes, the lemon filling will sink into the cobbler and make pockets of delicious lemon bites. The cobbler is going into a 350-degree oven for 40 to 50 minutes or until the top is golden brown and firm. The lemon cobbler is done and my kitchen smells like lemon heaven. To add to the lemon heaven, I'm making a sugary lemon topping. This is a couple tablespoons of raw sugar, and I'm adding in the zest of 1 lemon and giving it a stir. While the cobbler is still warm, lightly sprinkle over the top. This gives the cobbler a nice textured sweet lemon topping. You can serve the lemon cobbler warm or cold. Top with more lemon filling, whipped topping, or even some vanilla ice cream. A nice sweet lemon fresh dessert. I hope you give this homemade lemon cobbler recipe a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!